In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add charts in Canva. If you've ever wanted to turn plain numbers into something clear and eye-catching, you're in the right place. We'll go from opening your project to placing a polished chart on your design, and I'll share simple tips to keep everything readable and on brand. Start by opening the Canva project where you want the chart to live. Once your design is on screen, look to the left sidebar and click on Elements. This is the hub for graphics, shapes, and yes, charts. Within Elements, scroll or use the Browse Categories area until you see Charts. Click it to reveal a range of chart types. You'll find familiar options like bar, line, and pie, along with a few variations designed for different kinds of data. Take a moment to browse. As you preview, think about what your data is trying to show. Bar charts are great for comparing categories, line charts are ideal for trends over time, and pie charts work best for showing parts of a whole. When you find a chart that suits your story, click it. Canva will place a default version of that chart onto your canvas so you can start customizing. With the chart selected, look to the left side where a data panel appears. This is where you can manipulate the data. Replace the placeholder values with your own by typing directly into the cells. Use the first column or row for labels, and the remaining cells for your numbers. You can add or remove rows and columns to match your data set. Keep labels short and consistent so they're easy to read on the chart. Next, open Chart Setup. Options here depend on the chart type you chose, but this is where you can fine-tune how your data is organized. You might switch the orientation of categories and series, choose whether a legend displays, adjust how values are grouped, or pick how labels appear. If something doesn't look right, try toggling a setting here before changing your data. Finally, customize the visuals to match your design. Change colors to align with your brand or project theme, adjust fonts for titles and labels, and refine sizes so your chart is balanced within the layout. You can update background and accent colors, tweak line thickness on a line chart, or choose contrasting fills for bars and pie slices so everything remains clear at a glance. Drag the corners to resize the chart and align it with nearby elements for a tidy, professional finish. And that's it. You've added a chart in Canva, tailored the data, refined the setup, and styled it to fit your design.